All right, I want to show you all this Sharp XE-A507 cash register that we have for sale. And yeah, first thing I want to show you actually is to reset this cash register. Open it up here. You open this battery compartment. You remove those two batteries, then unplug the cash register, wait 10 minutes, and it'll clear it out. This is also where you access the receipt paper, of course. And as y'all can tell, this register is in really good cosmetic condition. No issue at all. The one thing, it does come with the OEM scanner, hand scanner. The only thing to note, do not have a key for this drawer. They're pretty easy to obtain though. And you do not need the key to operate the register at all. So yeah, let's go ahead and turn this thing on. Well, it's already on. And I'll take y'all through just a sample transaction. So this register isn't all set up with all the departments and everything. That's going to be on whoever gets it next. It does come with the original manual and a little quick start guide. And we even have the original box right here for it with some of the styrofoam. So we're just going to do a quick example. A $12 item from department, we'll say 6. And then we'll do a $7.10 item from, I'm looking at over here at my cheat sheet, from department 5. And you can see it totals it up there, and then we hit our button. The receipt prints, the journal prints, and y'all can see everything works perfectly. So yeah, the only thing to note, it doesn't have the key to lock this. Otherwise, excellent cosmetic and working condition. Thanks so much for watching.